Hello kids! Welcome to Me You Draw channel. Today we are going to draw Mummy Kangaroo from Peppa Pig. Get your pen and paper ready. First, let's draw the head. Make an oval shape slightly pointed at the front to form Mummy Kangaroo's face. Next, let's draw her wide-brimmed hat. Start with a large curved line across the top of her head. Add another curve above for the crown of the hat. Don't forget the ribbon across the hat. Now let's draw the eyes, eyelashes, nose, cheeks, and mouth. Draw 2 round eyes with small black dots inside. Add a few curved lashes to make them pretty. Draw a round black nose at the front. Add a pink circle for the cheek, and a small open mouth. Next, let's draw the body. Make a large oval shape connected to the head. Draw a pocket in the middle, the special kangaroo pouch. Now let's draw the arms. On each side, draw a short line ending with 3 simple fingers. Next is the tail. Draw a curved triangle shape pointing backward. Finally, let's draw her legs. 2 short lines down with small curved feet. And now let's color.